Since Funke Akindele emerged as the running mate to Jandor, the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party in Lagos State, many of her colleagues in the movie industry have distanced themselves from her political ambition. So far, it was discovered that none of her colleagues, not even her bosom friend, Eniola Badmus, has posted Funke Akindele's political ambition on their Instagram pages nor campaigned for her, leaving Funke Akindele to stand alone in her campaigns without any help from the entertainment industry. The majority of them chose to pitch their tents with the ruling party APC. One of the reasons why her colleagues seems to have abandoned her is because she's from the Yoruba genre of the industry, but she rarely features in Yoruba movies. She concentrates only on her personal projects and English genre movies. Also, the competition among the movie stars would not allow them to support one another's political ambitions. Observers notice that Funke Akindele has always been a lone minder who doesn't keep friends in the industry. Whatever relationship he has with anyone in the industry is purely professional. As the 2023 elections draw near, many hope that the actress comes out victorious. Do you agree with her colleagues?